Hello everyone, this is Krishna Goy, your techie friends, and I welcome you to my today's tutorial. Dear friends, Windows Automatic Update approach allows devices to receive security updates, improve the performance, and bring enhancement without user interactions. But many times we found that the Windows Update contain bugs that can negatively affect the experience in many different ways. For example, they could break existing features, introduce driver and applications compatibility problems, blue screen of death, and they required a restart to complete the installation that can disturb the user workflow. So in this video, I will show you that how we can stop Windows Automatic Update. But before starting this video, if you are visiting first time to this channel, I request you to please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further upcoming videos. So without any further delay, let's start the videos. So guys, now we are on a laptop screen, and with two options we can stop Windows Automatic Services. The first option will work with Windows Home, Enterprise and Windows Professionals, and the second option will work only Windows Enterprise and Windows Professional. So the first option is disable Windows Automatic Services. So to perform the task, you have to open run command. So you can open the run command to press the Windows and R button on the keyboard and it will open. So here you can type services.msc. The command is services.msc and you have to press OK. So once you will click OK, you will find all the services here. So you have to scroll it down to the bottom. And in the bottom side, you will find the services called Windows Update. So this is the services. You have to right click on this service, click on Properties. And here in the first tab is Journal. So just click on Journal tab. And here you will find the options called Startup Type. So Startup Type, you have to click in drop down arrow. Here you will find the options like automatic, manual and disabled. So first you have to disable this startup. And the second thing is services status. So here it is showing running. So you have to click on stop this services. So it will take 1 or 2 seconds to stop the services. Once it will stop, just click on apply and OK. To make sure the services is disabled, so you have to check here. It is disabled. So once the services is disabled, the Windows Update services completely disabled, you have to restart your Windows, your operating system. So you can restart the system. The second option is again close this Windows services. The second option, again you have to press Windows and R button on the keyboard. Again you have to open a run command. And here you have to type gpedit.msc. So you have to type this command and click OK. So once you will click OK, it will open local group policy editor. So this will work with only enterprise and professional Windows professional version. So if you have a home version, then it will not work. So here this local group policy editor, you will find two options. One is computer configuration and the second one is user configurations. So the Windows services works with computer configurations. So here the third option is administrative templates. So you have to double click on that. And in the middle side, if you see, there is a options called Windows component. So you have to double click on this. Now all the policies are there. So again you have to drop it down to the bottom, and in the bottom side you will find the second last option called Windows Update. So again you have to double click on this. So in the Windows Update policies, you will find a lot of policies there. So you have to select the policy called configure automatic update. So here I have already disabled this this policy, but if it is showing as a not configured, you have to double click on this policy, and once you will double click here, it will pop up one more windows which is called configure automatic update. So here it may be select like not configured or enabled. So if it is selected as a not configured, you have to click on disable, click apply, and then OK. So once it will disable, again you have to close this local group policy editor and again restart your computer to apply all the changes which you have made in your operating system to stop automatic Windows update. So that's it. This is the process through which you can stop your Windows automatic services and you can stop unwanted bugs or your slow performance in the system. So this is the video. If you have anything you want to ask, please leave a comment in the comment box. And if you want me to make some videos related to any other problems or any other topics, just text me or just leave me a comments in the comment section, and I will make sure that I'll make videos for you. That is from my side. See you in the next video. Thank you.